Good morning, everybody. We're back. What is up? It is Tuesday morning. We're back. Market pushed up yesterday. This morning's pushing up even more. So maybe we found a short-term bottom at least that we can bounce from. Things get rolling. Hopefully small caps get rolling. Hopefully everything starts to pick up a little bit into late October. What's up, Scott B? What's up, Discipline? Good morning, good morning.
PSFE, BBVA.
Welcome in. Get the music rolling.
COSM.
Started with some good jams this morning. Anything running? See, we got a 86% runner AKUS. Looks like AGFY had a reverse split this morning. Pushed all the way to $25. Oh my god. And then back down to where it closed at pretty much. ZBO a penny up. $25 or 25 cents. I mean, I'm sorry. It's up 73% though. RMED up 47%. AVO up 40%. ADM News, let me look.
PRTY.
Hey Snacks, what's up?
ICL.
You're losing all these stocks to reverse splits, aren't you?
BIAF. Rev. SYPF. TENX.
All right. Yeah, I mean, it happens. It happens. You're right. And all these reverse splits are going to create this low float market to where they're all going to be at lows. Could spark some stuff up.
Bombing.
Made it a winner finally trade.
FBN.
I mean, if eventually everything stops working and you got to move on to the next. So it's lasted for you for a while, and it's lasted for you while it's been the worst market ever. So the fact that you've been able to consistently make money in this market is just insane. So maybe this is just the tactic that gets you from A to B, and then once you get to B, you start making money, and, like broaden your horizons. You don't have to give it up, but
Snacks.
it's a good jam to start the morning.
Tell. CLOB. ABCT.
You know it, buddy. You know it, Booch. This is probably my favorite one of the whole playlist. That's why I started at this section.
WEBL.
And I got it absolutely blasting in my ears.
Snap.
Yeah, it could last for a little bit longer. I feel like the days where I am finding it the hardest is the days that you're finding it the easiest. So maybe that has some correlation. shrug. Yeah, for real. And it's like the price action. Like when everything is attached to SPY by the hip and nothing can absolutely move unless it ticks up with SPY is when you absolutely kill it. But when things disconnect and there's actual runners because they're runners or faders because they're faders is when I think I do the best. Hey, what's up, Jesus? I hope I'm not absolutely yelling. I'm just yelling over the song. Yes, I was in it early, but I didn't ride it enough. Hardly made anything on it, but I think I had it right here. 60s. And I was watching it in the 1 minute.
RITM.
Somewhere through here. It went up to 66 and then faded all the way back to 62. And I think I was like, yeah, it's probably not going to make it back up there again. And then it finally broke through and just kept going. Yeah, that was a nice move. That was a nice move.
BNTC.
Yeah, you definitely want an edge on it. You don't want... I don't like spot trend days either because it's just a melt up. You just buy... That's how I say it all the time. Buy, hold, and hope. You just buy and ride it for the whole day or whatever. And I'm trying to play from A to B. I'm not trying to play from A to, hold all day and the day ends at Z and that's the end of it and yada yada, I'm playing a pattern or a setup or volume, not just this thing's going to melt up regardless of whatever's happening. All these other pennies are starting to wake up, though, considering we've had now AGFY, FNHC. Was that the name of it? FNHC. NUTX yesterday. Oh, where'd it go? I had NutX yesterday, but it just kept chopping around right here. I think I finally got out when it did this. When it came up to 85 and then had a big ready down to 82 again. I was like, nah, not worried about it. And then it just went boop, straight up. All the way to 115 almost.
CLSK. PSQ. COSM. STLA.
Trying to figure out what the heck's even moving this morning and why.
SBSW.
Market pushing up. We're almost to 375 now. So this is 2 weeks in a row now that we've closed like 358. This was the Friday and this was the Friday. Continue to push back up. Weekly. Look at that 200 on the weekly. I've been saying it for weeks now. We need that test. We need that test. We need that test. Came down to it finally. I think I was saying that like right here. Came down to it. Closed on it. We had that big push up week. Then last week it tried at eye but recovered, hammered back above, and now we're pushing back off of it. Absolute bottom. Who knows? Maybe, maybe not. For SPY to perfectly bounce off 350 though would be pretty epic. Drop from 480 all the way to 350. What is that, 30% now? Or 28, something like that? 480 on us, 28%. Probably like 27% that we've dropped. I do too. I do too.
HMY.
I only like them when they've got like a clear trend, like these biotech pennies are going, or like China pennies are going. Not just like you got to pull up your list of 500 pennies and then say, well, I think this one's going to go. And that's just not going to cut it.
MBIS. MQ.
Is Broda here yet? I know he pulled up Invis yesterday on a
Holland.
chart and chat, and now it's up like 5% this morning. I don't know if we took any or not. ATXI. Yeah, it's got a nice, I'm guessing that's a really nice, like,
Rev.
yeah, look at that. Look at like the 30-minute.
BITF. OTMO.
Yeah, I think the memes look like they're going to have a good day. AMC up 3.3, GameStop up 3.9, Bed Bath & Beyond up 2.7, Fubo's up 15%. So Fubo's actually going to be like the main lead meme today, baby. I feel like Fubo and like Blue Apron have all gotten kind of wrangled into the memes now. Hey, Jordan. Good morning. But back to
DVO.
ATXI, this 30-minute, and I'm sure the hourly is just a tightened version of that. It looks good. Looks good. It looks really good. It's got a gap to 550. It's trying to start closing up into these wicks here. So if it can get up through the wicks, through 4, it's got room to 550. And even half of it will be like 475. So yeah, that's definitely a watch today. It looks a little, you know, choppy and stuff when you look at the 5-minute, but when you pull it out to the bigger time frame, it's really nice. It's pretty.
NCLH.
So we can't forget about that today at all.
TSP.
Cleaning out some of my watch list over here. Fubo, yeah. Fubo is up. Boop said good guidance or decent guidance. And then you got the market up as well. The memes are up as well. So it's kind of got the perfect storm going on this morning for Fubo. IMPX frustrated me yesterday. I was trading it, like, I was trying to trade it in this range between 11:30 and like 1. Because it kept doing these candles that would push down and then got bought right back up. Push down, get bought right back. So I was thinking, you know, one of these are going to trap push. And it took until after 1 to finally go, and I was already done. Already gave up for the day. I think I got a lot of energy this morning. Like, I'm just talking like crazy. Tiki Cuckoo, top volume leader again today.
WEBL PSQ.
Sober may have finally gave up yesterday. It was right at the breakout candle, and it just pretty much shit the bed. Came right up here, and this was the breakout level through like 350, went to 360, and got dumped on. And now the daily looks awful. The daily looked fine when it was green, pushing up to here, because the green candle was all the way up to here, getting ready to break through all this resistance, and then smashed. So, could still recover, but it's looking worse. It's looking like Veru daily, before Veru finally broke out. Look, it's like the same thing.
CID. DM.
Just all kinds of nonsense.
SWN.
Fubo trying for highs here. DBO huge liquidity. Pennies are hot.
Riot. PRTY.
Oh, sweat column. I'll look as soon as I see what Fubo does through this breakout here.
JBLU.
Absolutely nothing, of course.
PHAS. Towns.
Of course. Okay. ZBO. Yeah, you gotta buy the bottom of a breakout. You gotta assume breakout. I think that one's like insanely heavy, but I don't think it's really mattered that much lately. Actually, no, it's not. Okay, it's not. 31 million float. That's not bad at all. Now, it's through the 50 SMA right here. It does have some range, but it just kind of depends on if it's going to keep getting volume or not, because it didn't really have news, I don't think. Yeah. So, really not much on the chart, though. Completely straight spilled from 1 all the way to 20 cents and had like 3 green days in there the whole time.
BLDR.
So, little res at 30. And then, I mean, not much. I mean, it sold off so hard. RIBT, $1.5 million offering. That's the one that's going to solve world hunger. But they just offered. So they're a crap penny after all. How about that? Ribbit.
Pro. LFLY.
Oh, this thing's about to get wrecked, isn't it? Oh, it's at 150 per share. Maybe not.
ARBK.
Look how thin that. Imagine if you were in this, okay, and this thing just got an offering. Where are you selling at? There's nothing.
U.
There's literally nothing on this. Why am I seeing no level 2 at all?
PSNY. A. UEC. FSLY.
Okay.
OILD. STLA. SBSW.
Okay.
New.
Oh, are they finally getting RMAD to go? What's up this morning?
CUK.
Hey, JD, what's up? Mike, what's up? Good morning.
COSM.
Couple things, nothing crazy. That's a buyout, looks like.
ATG.
That looks like a buy as well, or something similar.
WEVL. Rev.
Yeah, $15 per share. Yeah, I got my handle. They gave it to me like over the weekend, I think. It's just at Mullins Momentum though.
ATXI. GOGL.
Are they trying to send this right now? Don't you do it. No.
ZVO.
Just in case, I had to buy 1,000. Yep, ATXI, watch it. They're trying to send it right now. I don't know who they is, but it's getting action.
CCL. TENX. GEVO.
I'll sell for even if I have to. 2K bidder, 5K ask here. Nothing crazy. There's really no huge ask. This thing just needs to like actually catch. But the hourly's set up big time. Okay, may have to just re-enter up here on the 380 break. Okay, perfectly filled me my 1,000 shares back. Okay, big volume coming in now. 390. Come on. Break that 390. Bid smashing, bid smashing. Bids are stacking up though. 390 and 4, and that's it. Yeah, basically it's like a Twitter handle. I don't even know what it's for really.
VLDR. ILAG.
There we go. Good volume coming in. I like this.
CLDP.
Big refresh though at 390.
AKLI.
There we go. Here's the 4 test. Took a quarter out at 4 just because.
TON.
But this volume is just insane. It's going to break through. No doubt.
AGF.
Unless they just keep stacking it. There we go, 99. They keep refreshing it up, so just gotta watch this hero right here, the 8600. Okay, it's through. 402.
OILD.
Nice. Yeah, I didn't like it at first. It was being slow, but now it's really picking up.
ABLU.
Okay, 408, 411. Here's this bidder continuing to move up. Okay, I'm gonna take 250 more out on him. So I got half my original position from 380 now. Try to get 2,500 here. It only filled me 1,000, but I won't complain. But a couple $100. This 30-minute closed up here would be nuts. Still good buying pressure so far. Good eye on that, Booch. Because you mentioned it earlier, as soon as it hit the scanner, I knew to go right to it.
NURL. A.
What's up, Striker? They're trying to bid smash it still. It's really close to the break loose point. I hope this isn't like an offering pop though, because it kind of was out of nowhere.
CNHI. Grab.
Yeah, me too, for real.
BNTC.
All right. All right. What are you doing now?
IONQ.
Hey, Robin, good morning. Welcome in. Glad to see everybody here this morning.
And
I'd love to see this 30-minute close over 4. I don't know if it's got the juice though. It's only 10 seconds left. Close right at it.
QNRX YMM. CCL. SAN TALFLY. CIDM. SKLZ. DXF.
Yeah, I've got 500 shares left. Hey, AC, what's up?
STLA. LU. CUK. TRMR. LCID. XBEV. AVEO. TENX. BNTC.
Come on, you gotta actually break through now.
CS.
Needs up through 405. Come on. Got 3,000 now. About back in at 4. Come on, just break through 405.
SWVL.
Okay, I got about 1,000 left now. It's being super slow. I think it needed to do it right there violently.
MQ. EGXC.
New high of day, probably 420, 425. It's not one to break through right now, though. Maybe right here. Should be an instant candle to 410 if it breaks through 405.
BB.
But it's trying to fade here.
F. UROY. FNGR. COSM.
All right, I'm out. It could still go, but I don't like the action.
TAOP.
They bought it right back up instantly. Sneaks through that 405. Yeah, that was smooth. That was smooth.
QS.
Last try.
NCLH.
Oh, I thought that was it right there.
Open. Ship. FSLY.
Nope. Okay, I'll be right back.
DRN. WPRT. Billy. TSP. STEM. DXF. AMC. CCL. Mara. U. WEVL. ALF. Teva. PTON. EBBY.
Was my mic off the whole time? Damn it. What I said was, did the classic close the low of candle 2022 setup, you know, make it look as bad as possible, and then the next candle went a little bit lower and then push. Not dead yet, but I don't like that it didn't break out right here.
SBSW. CELC. SDC. TNXP. KT.
Yeah, and we're right up on this resistance as well.
Sleep.
Yeah, 405 is huge.
TLA. MQ. LFLY.
It's trying to break down on the 1 minute setup at least. I feel like it should have went like here or here. Maybe get a low 390s pullback.
GT. NIL.
5 minutes nowhere close to catching up.
Joby. SOXL. BLDR. CUK. Snap. SKLZ. LICY. Inning. ZVO. TRMR. BULZ. COSM. F. Open.
Also watching RMAD over here, but really don't even know why it's up, but
AL.
nothing needs a reason to be up anymore.
BNTC.
Needs back over 8 on RMAD.
CNHIAVYA. Turk.
RMAD had news after hours yesterday. Oh, completes their at the market facility.
FNG.
I mean, I guess it's decent.
TENX. ASX. LU.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
RITM.
Yeah, they're gonna get. That's a given. If they do a at the market offering, they're gonna raise money. And it was they only did 1 million, but it was at 709, and now we're up to eight almost. Oh, did I just miss that breakthrough?
TSP.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
ATXI. QS.
There we go. There we go. Taking 1,000 off. Come on. That was really nice. Look at him wiping the bids. You see that? It's stacked up to the ass, stacked up to the ass. Wipe. That's just shorts.
LABU.
Tacking the bid.
HIBS.
Because no long would crash the stock.
GEVO.
All right, I'm rolling right there for now.
GOGL. STEM.
Well, there's the 405 break I was looking for. Break 405, instant 420 to 425. So this got a 13K ass. Nothing crazy. It could still push through, but we originally had 380s over here. So we are 40 cents higher now. Hourly. We're into that gap. I know. It's nice to see price action react correctly. It's working again today. Yesterday it was off again. So mid gap would be around 450, 460, 470. If we do that. It's got a wild chart, that's for sure. So 459, it's a 50 SMA. Wait, no, 462, I'm sorry.
AI. CONL.
Appreciate it. Nice job. Nice job. I'm still going uber conservative, very light, but good trade. Appreciate Booch mentioning it earlier today because I would have not pulled it up as quickly as I did when I heard it on the scanner.
CLSK.
$44K ask now. I think now's a good time to get in the Wordle. Let's get it in 3 or less.
CGEN. Sophie. Pro.
Okay.
AMRS.
Can't be worst. Trying to think about this really smartly and maybe get it in the second guess. That's a potential. That's a potential.
EOSE.
But it's not even close. Okay, so that option completely gone.
LILM.
So it could be UST or IST. Could be trust. Ooh. Well, there goes the 3 guesses.
IQ. VUZI.
That's ugly.
Zen.
So more than likely it's an IST word. So oh, it could be EST. It could be EST. I don't know how I missed EST. Can't be guessed. Can't be crest. I didn't mean to see that on the other screen. It can't be quest because it's got a U. The U's gone. No U. Okay.
REKR. PACB.
I was thinking heist for a second, but it can't be that because the H.
DM. MRIN.
I'm gonna do this for letters. So it's
Turk.
got an I and an E in it, but not in that order. So something EIST.
San.
That looks like heist.
SBSW.
Diced.
TENX.
Yeist. Weist. Thought you said weast.
Hood. STCN.
Keist. Ceased. Beast. Neast. Meast.
ONFO.
What? It is, yeah. Heist is a big New York Times word, and the H is gone.
LABU. LAZ.
Geist? Like what? T. Heist? What about Feist?
TSP.
So it's E. Exist. Exist.
LCID.
Okay. Okay.
STEM.
Every time it is a vowel at the beginning of the word, I always get thrown off. Alright, so ponytail, the hashtag ponytail push happened on this, and so it's dead now, probably.
HIVS.
Hold on one second.
Inning. SLRX. TENX. JXJT. CHPT. STLA. ZERF. VIRI. HOFB. MLCO. TIVC. ARDX. RETL. CONL. EQOS. CNHI. BDRY. PACB. LUMN, SNAP.
All right.
TRMR.
Appreciate the likes, guys. Thanks for showing up this morning.
ABEO.
Hanging out.
OBSV.
Talking in chat. Thanks to my members supporting the channel.
AEG. BBVA.
ATXI, maybe this is a bounce zone. Because you got this, you got this, you got this, and now we're down to here. Given this is the 1 minute. Just this right here. That's all I made. Was just on this trade.
SBSW. Peru.
Our man pulling way back now.
Omer.
Oh, FNHC made it back to $1. I was trying to trade that one yesterday around like 87 cents for a curl, but it never would, and it faded off all the way down to 75 cents and then back up. Back up to 105, 110. What does this look like on the 5 now?
Brad. NBOS.
Okay, so it's a 9 on the 5 touch. Hourly will be closing again under 4. Well, not again, but the total hourly will be closing under 4, which is not ideal. The 30-minute would be, that's what I was thinking of. Okay, so it would be the second 30-minute in a row to close under 4. So that's not ideal. It's not bad, but it's not ideal.
LABU. STEM. Fro. DDD.
So yeah, we got 2 minutes to the 9 a.m. news. It's looking like it's gonna close 2 30-minutes now in a row under 4 on ATXI. We got a good push out of it, but not saying it's dead either. But this thing does, as you can see here, like every time it has a good push, it likes to give most of it back. And then it pushes, gives most of it back, pushes, give most of it back. Still makes it trend higher, but still, like once it has a big ramp, it has a history of giving a lot of that back.
Riot.
try it. Premarket highs tomorrow, 12:30 again.
WPRT.
I swear, anytime Mara goes under 10, it's just a slap.
MCLH.
Every time it happens.
AMTD.
Yep, so we're officially going to get two 30 minutes in a row and the hourly to close under 4. Nice.
LUMN. GDRX. BDRY. TTOO.
Mark successfully appeals delisting notice. That's good.
BBBY.
So that means they have to be by January 11th over $1. Okay, so they had a reported quarterly loss of 1.54 million, which is an increase, a bigger loss. And this is finger.
DRH. ABEO.
Record quarterly revenue though, so who knows? It had been selling off pretty big, so maybe it gets a small bounce on FNGR. Hey Thomas, good morning. Good morning. Welcome in.
STLA. Haru.
Armad trying to push back up a little bit.
HBAN.
Oh, Armad. Whoa. That's 2022 candle, baby. Look at that. End at lows or close to it. Break the pattern. Break down. Looking like death. Next candle straight up. Bada bing. Bada boom.
DBO.
Beautiful. Beautiful. You live for it. You really do. You live for it.
KD. DCNC.
You really live for it. So far, and I'm going to knock on my desk while I'm saying this, price action today looks okay. Not say good. I'm not saying, anything crazy, but it looks okay. Which is a mile away from what it usually looks like.
Bommy. Char.
Maybe shorts will end up covering on FNGR today a little bit just because it's a non-event with the ER. I don't know. It's kind of sold off from 950 down to 450. That'll be a back burner today. The earnings wasn't phenomenal, but you know how things go.
Skin. UTRS.
All right, now what do we got? Anything?
BNTC. ALZN. GT. BNTC.
Market's still up near 375. I'd imagine 375 is a little bit of resistance. It's like a psychological level.
OBSB.
ATXI is trying to curl a little bit. Definitely needs to get back above, you know, VWAP and 4.
LUMN. SVRE. ENIC.
Yeah, there's a VWAP touch on ATXI. Question is that it? I got a little back in at 92. 392. 25K better, 393 now. I'm selling on that bidder though if he starts getting shipped. Yeah, 25K at 393. No buying pressure right now.
ABEO.
There's a little bit, okay. 393 still the hero.
BKKT.
Guess I got a second to flip it over now. VWAP resistance, 4 resistance. Not letting it go below this 393 guy. So literally, like, I'm not even risking anything. I got a 1 cent profit mental stop here. Nobody's selling on him yet. Still 27K. $30K.
TYD. DWAC.
My God, it's moving in like insanely slow motion here. DWAC on the scanner? DWAC? Okay, what is happening here? Either go or die. Don't just sit here. Alright. They chipped him down to 25, so I just went ahead and rolled it. It still may go. But I don't want one person to swipe that guy and it was selling at like 385. Oh, Kanye, he's gonna sign up for Truth Social. All in, then, I guess.
BIRI. Veil. Again. SYBX. KD.
Straight back down.
WPRT.
Okay. ATXI still holding sideways right here. Nobody's buying, nobody's selling.
AMC.
I think they're about to sell through it right now, though. AMC pre-market highs.
RUM. FNHC. Silo. VIP. Teva. FNHC.
Okay, yep, they finally sold down through it on ATXI.
OBLG. NBY. TENX. ENIC.
Good lord, straight up, straight down, D-Walk.
SGMO.
Are they really not even going to buy it up down here? I was hoping shorts were chasing all the way down here, but it's not really recovering quickly. Give me like 25 cents. That's all I'm asking for. Like $17 again. There we go. There we go. Come on. Show them. Remind them
FTCI.
that Truth Social's the future, right?
EQOS.
Well, I guess I should have taken my $55 right there.
IVDA.
Sure. I'll settle for $14. Market pulling back. Probably sell off to, let's see, 365 today just because it
SIO.
went too high. Went surprisingly one bit.
Siri.
Oh my gosh. FNHC doing business today. And it needed this nasty dump right here to go higher.
Kern.
Nobody held through that. They made people rebuy is what they did. Nobody's going to be trading 90s, 89, 90 to even 95 and hold all the way to 75. Just not going to happen. Even the buy, hold, hope squad ain't going to hold through that.
NURL.
All right, let's do today's Weddle now. In honor of Eckler winning me my game last night. Let's do Austin Eckler. Okay. NFC wide receiver under 30 or under number 30, under age 27. So let's just go straight to Justin Jefferson. Older than 23, under number 18, not the NFC North. No, CeeDee Lamb's number's too high. Devonta Smith. No. Oh, it's not wide receiver. I'm an idiot. Oh my gosh.
YVR.
I could have got that earlier. I screwed up. I picked 3 wide receivers in a row, but it wasn't wide receiver. Whoops.
BDRY.
ATXI trying to push back up again.
VIPs. ABEO.
It broke through a big wall, went up a couple cents, and then right back underneath the refresh. Okay, 43K bid prop now on ATXI. I had 5K shares, but scaled some out once it broke. There was a 23K ask at 396. It broke it, went to 399, and then right back under. So I sold half.
NBOS. YVR.
$48K guys, the hero again, so can't let it go under that. 50K. If he pulls as well, I'm out. If he gets shipped or pulled, I'm out. This 5 minutes closing strong. So far. She's still there for now.
EQOS. GHSI. SMFL.
Nice bidder stepping up. 405's that big level again, though.
Kern. NTCO.
Okay, that
CBD.
candle closed over 4. That's good.
HIMS.
Refreshing wall now, 402.
KT.
50K guy's real. He's not pulling. He's not scared.
NYSE. OTMO.
Couple 10Ks here, and then nothing really till way up here. But the buying pressure is just not there right this second. Probably because it's 920.
YVR. BLI.
Getting bored of it. I hate when they just sit here and do nothing.
TENX. Chart. AVEO. CNXA. ASC.
Oh my god, nothing's happening.
Karu. VRAY.
It's gotta pop now. It's gonna pop. It's gotta pop. Right now.
New. CPRX. MSOS.
Come on, get through this.
ORMP.
It's not that big. 4K, 2K, 3K. Taking 1,000 off just because it's being slow. Okay, 405 on the ass. 5K left. And guys, I hate to have to say it again, but I'm going to say it again just in case. Please don't blindly follow me in any trades. I've been doing this for years and years, and I lose on my own. So no need to lose with me.
PTON.
Yep, there we go. Back to my 1,400 shares. Probably gonna risk 4 now. Yep, I'm out. Okay, I'm gonna go feed the dogs. I'll be right back.
CRF. TSP. Sleep. Mid. Tuck. CYVN. GEVO, GRWG, BCRX, SEN. VLD. CUK. Grab. HAYW. SCPS. SID. SCPS. 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 DFEN. SCPS. AVXL, WEBL. Kern. XPEV. MNMD. SOXL. PSQ. DKNG. AVEO. MRKR. YVR. Path. Boaz. Hood. GROY. AAL. NBOS. GPS. Open. DRH. NCLH. RDFN, CIM, NIO. BTOG. AMSC. LPL F QS ASXC FCEL NXE VIPs JMIR ACNT SNGU CIK GSDWW NGN RMED DFLI BED DRM
I'm here. ATXI straight up. Turn the music down. Switch to intraday.
Con
Okay.
AYXPI FINV Turk ISPC
Bubo with a
KHR
heel gate.
GMED Comms SOLYS DFEN TLYS JMIL RKLB HIBL OLTIGR
Yeah. Bubo under 450 there might have been the buy. Might have been a really nice buy. Yeah, 460 now already. Dang, I missed it. I wasn't situated in my seat yet.
URG quote WRBY
36K ask here. Did the 30-minute close over? No.
DSKE WMC
Yeah, AVCT's trying to push up.
ARHS SYBS LYLT LMFA INMB DEX TPVG ABE
I hate the straight up boner candle on it though. I really do.
SCPS IIF Alval Comms HIB
Yeah, fading now, 230.
RMNI KTOS STGW AEVOTX TDOC PLX ZVO CRPT SLS OTLY
FNHC dropped all the way to $1, 99 cents actually in bounce. Market pushing, market high day.
CRBG SYBX SKYGS LXRX Body CEA RMED UBOT IBLC SVRE PRTY TMCI ATNF EOD AVOSL BFLY CXDO GLAD MGNI BFLY Plus
I don't know what SYBX is, but it's getting some interesting volume here.
BZUN DOMA NCV Comms FLWS RMNI FRG TXG
Daily is interesting.
ZVO PSCE NEX MTTR RHE TRMR
God, scanner's going nuts. APLD, that's a crypto one. FNHC, okay, it's really fading now. Huge sell on FNHC.
VVNT FLYU WETG DDL TNXD MISO BKSY Plus GPRO
ZVO straight up.
Cost AVEO SPXX WABD CTRM ATXI Comms APLD BFLY Plus Altio TAOB Mina CRCA TMFE EMIF KLME, KABL, Pi, NCMI, YVR, plus ZVOX, AKAD, MOXC.
Not hopping in anything crazy yet. Having a good morning so far. SPY getting a huge rejection candle out the gate.
TK, BNKU,
ATXI still trying to push through 420, 425.
Comms, HTGC, ZBO, A, UYM, Kala, LFT, MUNST, BBU, TENX, KABL, Body Plus, Azul, BBCP, Mina, ACP,
Probably dipped there and got completely flushed.
ENSC,
And slipped.
YVR, NTTO, EZFL,
Whoa, what happened?
ABCT, FISI,
Everything literally just disappeared.
WAVD, PANL, XM, MPX,
Whoops.
ABEO, RMED, Comms, MBCN, OIG, GHSI, Drug, AFYA, Shen, VVNT, OTMO, AAIC, Sub, Swim, CNOBR, NFTs,
Finger did push this morning.
DSC, PZG, BNKU, AEHR, TPSC,
It's at 520.
NUWRBT, TNXP, Nail, IAG, AVEO, OOTD, GBP, SHE, CPHI,
Market doing some weird stuff. Yeah, looking like one of those days that we're up too much, so it's just gonna fade all day long is what it looks like. I hope not. Hopefully we can hold gains for one full day. Imagine that.
SRG, PMTA, TRVG, CAVA, OBSV, OWLT,
ILAG volume again.
STGW, CMCO, RMED, BGSF, CMLS, TMFX, AVEO, TXMT, OSUR, Comms, UFO, HARP, RGLS, POET, PYXS, ATNX, ASUR, CG, AVCT, COCO, ARAY, ARQQ, OTMO, SYBX, RMED, AKOA,
Stober with a little boner stick here.
XRTX, UTM,
ATXI,
IAG, BBNT,
Lane,
AMPG, OSTK, CDRB, Merck, NCNA, AUTL, NFGC, DBTX, CMREC, WDH, SVVC,
Calms got volume. It's like an 8-cent stock.
WTER, KPRX, GDX, AVEO, NMM, MLNK, SBFM, COMS, RMED, Shown,
Holla.
OBSV, QNRX, DSS,
Maybe. Yeah.
IDAI, EQOS, RMED, Revs, LPTH, CHRA, AVNC, NDIB, RVP, DZSI,
Not seeing a whole lot this morning so far.
RMED, MRIN, TNGX, INTT, DMTK, AAIC, GBLU,
A lot of random pops. That's about it.
MS, EQOS,
EQOS, penny stock on the scanner.
WETG,
iLag trying to squeeze a little bit again.
AVEO, ATCOI, KGRN, COMS,
A lot of penny stocks trying to pick up today.
TIP,
I guess a lot of pennies have been running, so it's kind of time for them to start moving.
EDS,
Usually it's later in the year, but
SOFO,
I had Combs. I picked it up at 8, and it went up to 8.5 or something, and I set my stop for 8, and it came all the way back down to 8 and picked it up. And I hate, look at TradeStation. This is how I have to trade it. Disgusting.
FENC, BKKT Plus, ABCO, AVEO, COMS, QNRX, BRT, NYSC, PRTS, BVS, TSHA,
EQOS up testing 38 now, 39.
SYBX.
Not sure why it's going, but it's just another one of those pennies that are trying to catch and go. Through 40, it's pretty thin, but I don't know how far they're going to actually send it. I'm talking about EQOS.
QNRX. Comms. EQOS.
There's 40. How far is this thing going to go?
BB.
I'm keeping a close watch on these because these have been running far. These penny stocks have.
RMED. AIRI. SNDX. DBTX. RHE. NILN. CLBS.
It's got an 88K wall between 37.7 or 39.7 and 40. They're buying it up though, 40 cent now.
LMB. Comms. Lien. CRMD. SELB. MMLP. CRDRDL.
The wall's down to 70K now.
RMED. SRL, CPAC, NBX.
They're refreshing it now. It's up to 90.
Drug. ALLR.
What else we got? Okay, RMAD off a cliff.
AEHR.
SPY trying to go to 0 again. AVCT
ABEO.
hasn't given one entry after open, just straight up.
BGSF.
Is what it is though. You could have bought, I guess, at open if you were watching it. If you were staring at this one for some reason.
RMED.
Okay, EQOS rejecting 40 for now. That'll be one to watch today though. Kind of reminds me of what was it yesterday? A Avco? What was it? No. Whatever the one that ran yesterday was. Yeah, Comms is doing something. I had 25,000. I didn't have anything crazy, but I'd be up 250 bucks here.
NNY. Comms.
Instead, it stopped me out for $1.41.
NISN. ABCT.
Man, that sucks.
CLWT. Drug. BTAI. RKDA. KULR. SCPS. RBTBGI. EFTR.
So Comms is the cheapest, and DBGI, and then COSM,
Comms.
Timber, Callie, Kern.
RMED. Dogs. CBAC. ATLC. SBET. CBR. YBR. Drug. PXS. BRME. CBO. DBTX. ABCT. CBL. QQQN. TOMC. DBTX. OBSB.
All these random pennies are happening.
RMED. ARTL. ADTSS. OBSB. ABAH. DBTX. AVCT. KBH. I. Dogs. NCPL. CRNT. SVVC. ABEO. KPRX. DBTX. KPRX.
KPRX halted up. Now it's open. $9.
Comms.
Whoa, that should go to 10. According to the chart, at least.
Even. MITTA. ABCT.
There's 925. And then straight back down to 870. Oh my gosh.
AYRO.
Oh my god. I had 860. It went to 925 for just a second. And as soon as it hit 925, it came all the way back down to 870. So 30, 40, 50, 60 cent drop instantaneously and got my stop. Oh well. I don't even know why it's up. I'm just playing action.
Comms. ABEO. Veru. MITTB. WTBA.
Now what?
DBTX. NEOV. OMI.
Everything fading with SPY again. Oh, you gotta love it. Nothing has a mind of its own.
Con. XERS. OTMO.
Man, this is just stupid. Every time the market's up, you know, and continuing a breakout, it just fades and fades and fades and fades and fades. Even on a green day, it's a red candle just because it has no strength.
LSTA. CYCC, ATNX, comms. K, RMED, ABEO.
Yeah, drug looks okay. And I'm looking at FNHC too.
INST, AMPG,
It looks like a Peggy type BS.
NCPL, NBOS, A4, MITQ, FUJNJNC, ONTX, DALN, minus, ONTX, SYPX, EQOS, SMTOS, NBOS, EQOS, SRAD.
Oh no, I missed it. I missed the breakthrough 40. Oh man. Now it's just gonna freaking rip. They screw around to get everybody to look off of it, and then they rip it and make people chase higher. Same thing with the one that ran yesterday. The A one, whatever the name was. Can't remember. Yeah, I wanted to buy like a 10,000 at 40 here.
KULR, TAOP, KPRX, MNMD, TRIN, Oust Plus,
So annoyed.
AVCO, RMED, TROL, ERT, EQOS, DRUG, QQQS, FNHC, KYMR,
Still about the same spot. Haven't really traded much.
comms,
Drug still went up for whatever reason. Very low volume though. Just floating.
CPS, ABEO,
Okay.
THMO,
120 to 125 was the res. Maybe 130.
RMED, OMQS, MNMT. Comms. KZIA. ENVB. ATCOH. SEAL. CINT. ENVB. CXDO.
IZEA launches in the UK.
RTL, FPL, IIIV, AVEO.
Yeah, there's stuff all over the place. No real clear, concise runner.
AKA, RME,
So everything popping 10 cents.
MNMD, OTMO, LFT, comms, DNP, SEAL, CXDO,
Excuse me.
Loco, FGB,
Ooh, got slippage on EQOS. Nice.
DMTK, CSWC.
All right. I really don't see anything I like right now. I tried trading a couple things that I did, and they aren't following through at all. So maybe it'll pick up later in the day. Price action's okay. I am green for the day. Just gave back a few hundred just on slippage. So, all right. I will catch you guys tomorrow morning. See ya.